Hood fan exhaust. Your home is equipped with a high-velocity hood fan. It is recommended that you operate this fan while using your cooktop, as modern smoke detectors are more sensitive, and cooktop operations may trigger the alarm. For maximum efficiency, filter screens should be cleaned regularly. To do so, first ensure the fan is not operating. Then depress the recessed tab to pivot the screen down. Soak the screen in hot soapy solution or degreaser and rinse well. Allow to dry before reinstalling.